Hi, this is Sheldon here from the Currency Advisory Desk with today's report. Well, the IIP numbers were out yesterday, showcasing a decline in the index of industrial production by 0.6 percentage points. Now, this had an immediate reaction on the rupee, and we witnessed it to tank to around 54.06 versus the US dollar. Now, we are keenly awaiting the trade balance data, which will give us a proper direction for the dollar-rupee pair. The data should be out today. However, the rupee does look strong in the medium term. Now, we advise our traders to short the pair at around 54.15 in the spot market, that is. Now, the US dollar index, which has been trading comfortably above the 80 level for the past few weeks, has declined by 0.01 percentage points and is now trading at 80.10. Looking at the euro, well, the euro dollar pair is at 1.3446. And we expect it to weaken further on the back of the latest political action happening in Washington, with President Obama kick-starting a very aggressive campaign to revive growth in the United States by proposing various measures which include increasing the minimum wage rate to $9 and also emergency investments in infrastructure projects. Now, the US does seem to be doing the right things. Traders can short sell both the euro dollar and the euro rupee pair at around 1.3450 and 72.40 levels respectively. Besides the industrial production data due today, we do not have any other major fundamental data from the Eurozone. In fact, even Mario Draghi's speech in Spain yesterday did not incite much movement in this pair, in the euro dollar pair, that is. Looking at the pound, well, the pound has been inching upwards against the US dollar in the last few trading sessions. It is at 1.5684, which is up by 0.15 percentage points. Now, the consumer price inflation or CPI came in as expected yesterday at 2.7% for the month of Jan in UK. Now, surprisingly, this is the first time that the rate has remained unchanged for 4 consecutive quarters. Now, however, the pound has continued its upward trend against the US dollar. The euro pound is at 0.8576, which is down by 0.13 percentage points. Now, this could be seen as a factor contributing to the strong pound because of the carry trade that's happening there. Now, Japan has taken center stage at the G7 meetings which are going on, with the policy makers appearing confused on their stance of the Japanese currency devaluation. While initially it appeared they supported Japan's monetary policy on reflation, they changed their stance later on by issuing statements that Japan's weak yen is negative for other developed economies. The Japanese yen was in for some wild swings and is now trading at 92.97 against the US dollar. However, we don't expect more strength in the Japanese yen and see it to fall back to lows of around 94 to 94.20 against the US dollar, and in rupee terms, traders can go long on the yen rupee pair at around 56.90 to 57 levels. Well, we have the G20 summit which will be happening this weekend, and there will be a lot of focus on Japan and its monetary policy, and that will be what is going to drive the markets, the currency markets for the next week. Well, that's it from the advisory desk. Thank you.